How to make ghee in the microwave. In the microwave, all of the cream, which is the part that will burn fast, melts and rises to the top. Cream rises to the top. It's not just the same. Now, if you can scrape all that cream off, this butter becomes oil. And once oil hits the air, there's no water in it, no oxygen in it. That can stay unrefrigerated for 3 months. Clarified butter in the microwave. There's 2 ways to go with the ghee. You can either filter it with a cheesecloth, because there's going to be cream at the bottom in the microwave, or you can burn it. It's good color. Nutty flavor. Awesome. With garlic in it. There it is. You put this in the refrigerator and eat off it for 4 to 5 days. You see what eating out does? Pimples. And puffiness in the face. Cut out that breast. Save it for a meal. You can see it there, how pretty it is, how tender it is. I like it. It's barely done. Stringy, like a chicken and parmesan. I'm about to eat. The second method is cleaner, but growth of bacteria is still potential. All I have to do is stand here and just slowly watch it work. Watch it work its own magic. Ooh, magic. I have to get a new camera. Just because you're in survival mode doesn't mean you can't enjoy some of the nicer things in life. See our buttermilk at the bottom? Just floats right on top of that buttermilk. It's amazing how science works when you know how to use it. And so there we have it, folks. The classic Parmesan chicken. I almost burnt it, but it's good. It's good to go. It's brown. It's tender. Breast is tender. It's cooked all the way through in the microwave. If you have to wash out your funnel, which I did, make sure that it's completely bone dry, even if you got to run it through the microwave for 30 seconds, because it's not just going to be dry with the paper towel. Remember that water is the enemy to clarified butter, and to any bacteria, it needs water, which carries the oxygen. Oil doesn't have any oxygen in it because it doesn't have any water in it, and that's why it doesn't spoil. You can leave oil on the chicken oil, fish oil, vegetable oil out. It doesn't have to be refrigerated for that reason. Get it? Got it? Good. And the funky stuff at the bottom is not throwaway. It's actually what they make buttermilk and cottage cheese out of. We don't want to use it for that, but it's there if you want it. What we're going to do is add it to our rice, give our rice a little popcorn flavor. Remember, when clarifying butter, there's always going to be some little funky stuff left at the bottom. You want only the yellow stuff in the middle in order to ensure that it doesn't go bad on you or create bacteria. So what we're gonna do is put some cheesecloth in this funnel, put the funnel into the pickle jar, and bam. We got our clarified butter. For the rest of the stuff, we can add it to rice or whatever right now, or put it in the fridge for later. And down below is my chicken in the microwave, whole frozen chicken in the microwave for 20 minutes. Now I'm gonna put it in the oven to brown. I got rice in that vessel there. And we are cooking in survival mode.